Okay, guys, going to ask Scruff for Lloyd. Let's salute to you, kid. Click that over. And in the Discord, if you come to ask Scruff, I'm up to Lloyd. I'll get to Stevens next. Please can you clarify +1, -1 works on the buy sheet? As I haven't yet managed to find it on the coursework. Well, I'll show you where that is. And thanks again for the video this morning. What he's working at there is if they're a Plus member that can request a product to be tracked, what I'll do is I'll do a critique on it, what I would do, and then I'll follow it through, which is here. Again, so as you go in, I'll break it down and then I'll follow it up and then I'll even trade it. If I think there's a trade idea there. And if you not looking in here, you can also look in the market updates, and this is the sheet what's referring to +1, -1. Now there is a set of extras to this where you plug it in and it'll automatically work out what +1, -1 is. Now in where the Scruff, if you work your way through the modules and we come down, I can't quite remember which one it is, but it's around this area somewhere. We'll find it for you. Power 3, fix, stay out, relation, mindset, staying longer, RS, ladder trade, Scruffy madness. The draw, trigger chart. There we are. +1, -1. It's module 14 is what you're looking for. And what it'll do, it will look at the anchor chart. Now, for me, it's the hour. It'll look one chart up, which is 4. It'll look one chart down, which is 15. And then it'll see whether there's any alignments amongst them. If there is, it'll tell you whether it's good. If it's 2 out of 3 ain't bad, it'll tell you either to wait or it's a scalp. And then it'll look at the lower time frame, which is sort of like a 5-minute chart. And it'll then clarify whether or not it's ready. Now, if it's not, it just won't flash up. But if there's something there, it will tell you that there is an alignment. And +1, -1 is based on the trend and the direction across 3 main time frames, looking at 2 out of 3 ain't bad based on the anchor chart. And it's all explained in module 14. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.